What's up guys, I'm Satria Niza Rangga Bernando from 1LD Teknik of Sriwijaya. Today I want to make a presentation video work procedure in the electrical engineering area. Okay, on this occasion I'll share to you guys how to calibrate oscilloscope. Before we start it, I want to tell you what is oscilloscope first.
What is oscilloscope? So basically, oscilloscope is an electronic measuring instrument that can map and project electrical signals and the frequency of electronic components. Oscilloscope maps the measurement results in digital and graphic form so that it's easier to read and learn.
Okay, now we move on to how to calibrate oscilloscopes. Follow the steps, let's check it out. First, turn on the oscilloscope. Then plug the probe into the channel to be calibrated. In this case, I use channel 1. So this is channel 1. Then hook the probe to the pin. After that, press the out button. Then the oscilloscope will immediately output a square waveform, but it's not the perfect square waveform yet. And the oscilloscope must be calibrated by turning the screw in the hole shown in the following picture. Turn left or right until you get a perfect square waveform like this.
If you have obtained a perfect square waveform, it's ensured that the oscilloscope is functioning normally and is ready for use. Note, on the right side of the screen, it says probe 10x, meaning that when we display the signal, the amplitude is multiplied by 10. That's the actual value.
Okay, I thought that it was enough. I hope you guys enjoy my video and bye.